Hi, in this video tutorial we will show you how to save high quality image f- for your simulation in Abaqus. First, let's remove all unnecessary parts or options in our viewport. For example, viewport annotation option, set all off, apply to hide all unnecessary parts in your model. Click OK, and let's also change the view of your parts. Now we have this viewport, and now let's stop our animation, and this is our simulation results. Let's go to click on Control P, print viewport, print all viewport, current viewport, select current viewport, print viewport decoration if visible, print viewport background, we don't need the background, and we have many options. Now let's go to destination file and select the destination of our file and add a name. Let's select, for example, view 1, click OK, and format of our part. We have many formats of our image. This is our direction of directory of saving, and click apply. Now we have saved our image of our viewport. Let's go to YouTube and let's see our viewport. Let's Johnson CAE model Johnson Cook, and this is our viewport, our image of our viewport. Let's take a look at it and see the image of our simulation. This is a PNG file of viewport 1.